A lot of you have bought the brow pen this weekend. I want to show you little tricks that you can do. This is called the Brow Fixer. It's $6 on our site, and what it is, it's just basically hairspray for the hair, your brow hair. So do you see how I'm brushing all the hair up and into the direction of the hair growth? Okay, so this is the deal. You can either start off with the pencil first, and what you want to do is you just want to fill it in the areas needed, and this would be your guide if you're intimidated to use the brow pen. Okay, so then what I'm going to do now is take the brow pen, and then I'm going to fill in where I don't have hair. And what you want to do is you want to lay the tip of the brow, and then just come slowly and hardly holding the pen. Look, I'm holding the pen all the way to the end, and look what I'm doing. I'm just coming in there. You'll be so surprised how much you will deposit. Starting at the end, just coming up. Look at that. I'm hardly even holding this brow pen, by the way. See that? Again, you're already depositing so much, and I'm just going in there, filling in the areas that I need. How do I know where to end? Right at the corner of the nose, this is where you end. Okay? Look at that. Make sure you hear that click. Right? Look at my finger. Look at that. Nada. See? Nothing. And again, if I want to make it more dramatic, I just go in here and go over everything. Again, look what I'm doing. It's like I'm scratching, right? There. Look. Okay. And one of the things that you can do while the pen is still wet, you can go in and blend, just like that. Like, let's say you want to deposit right here in the front, and you feel like, oh, I put too much on, and just do this. You see that? Nothing is coming. Can you see that? Nothing is coming off. And I'm gonna go in here, and guess what? Did I put any concealer on? No concealer, but look how clean it is. No concealer. It's still very clean, and it didn't even take time. I'm talking to you guys the whole time. There you go. Again, you can use your pencil. You need to hear that click. This is the pencil. You can just go over if you want to. It's up to you.